Draw inbound the ball. Pass to Walter. Pass to Dudes. Dudes. Kay Eric. Bumitin pa. Rebound by Emel. Supalpal. Kanya pa rin. 2 points by number 26. Number 11. Binababa ang bola. Number 11. Sumalaksak. Pinasa kay Joe. Joe. Binabantayan ni Eric. Pass to Anakta. Gary. To Musa. To Mira. Bang! 2 points by number 11. Eric. Binabantayan ni Genesis. Pass to Manalo. Back to Eric. Bang! 3 points. Finally, they got the free. Musa. Binabantayan ni Manalo to Gary. Gary to number 11. Back to Gary. Bawing-bawi yan. 3 points by Gary. Joe Robilos, nakuha ang bola. Tumidiskarte. Gandang pick nun. Basket. Centrum complete. 44-53 in favor of MG Cleaning. Sa bala to Dudes. Binantayan ni Armando. Number 41 pushing foul. Sa bala to Eric. Number 11. Using the ball. Pass to Genesis. Basic. Sa bala to Manalo. Binabantayan ni Genesis. Number 2, Binabantayan number 11. Binabantayan 2 points. Number 15, pass to number 13. Number 15. Sablay. Masarap kumain habang nanonood. Number 28, 2 points. Guys, we're not allowing to do in the court. Number 36, pass to Sabala. Sabala. Dudes. Sa gitna, umikot-ikot. Sablay. Number 13 to number 15. Back to number 2. Sablay, rebound. By number 15. Naagaw ni number 5, Sabala. To number 24, pass to Eric. Eric. Pass to number 26, 2 points. minute time remaining. Dalawa na lang po ang kalabangan ng MG Cleaning. RB, pass to number 9 ball. Number 13 sa ilalim, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 26. Number 26, tumatakbo, pinasa kay Eric. Eric. Number 2, 25 seconds para remaining. Number 26, binababa ang bola. Akin na to. Rebound by Eric, 2 points. 12 seconds, time remaining. 8 seconds. Number 13, tumira. Supply. Wala ng oras. Endo para ng papasan. To see, no good. Can you see? How? Rebound. Bote. Pass to good. Easy basket. 22-20. Favor of Whiteman. Musa. Pass to go. Go to Musa. Musa sumalaksak. Basket good. Anong height mo? Sabi nga. Anaka. Play with the ball. Pass to Joe. Joe, step for 3. Pass to the goal. Rebound. Rebound by Bote. Bote. Tama ng bola. Sumalaksak. Pass to good. Good basket. Rebound to Anaka. To Musa. Okay, number 11. Pass to number 9. 11 to 4. 4 to 3. No good. Rebound. Drop pass to Steve Manalo. Steve Manalo to nagawa siya. 11. Anaka. Dribble ball. 3 point. Basket good. 3 point. Anaka. Water. Dribble ball. Nakahanap na pamasaan. Sumalaksak. Pass to Manalo. Time out, Whiteman. Tira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Eric. Eric taking the ball. Nakagawan sa goal. Pass. Black ball. Number 9. Step no good. Manalo for rebound. Pass to Bote. Bote naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Eric. Eric for CC2. Nagawan. 36 bringing the ball. Pass to Anaka. Anaka. No good. Rebound by Black ball. Ball.
Napaka-dry nila maglaro.
In second quarter, Eric for 3. No good. Pass. 68. No good. Rebound ng Manalo. Yes, 3 for Manalo. Pwede na. Sub ka na. Number 8. Anaka. 2 for 3. Basket good. Pass to Gary. Gary. Nakarating. 2 points. Hakot ng bunto si Gary. Number 3. Ginapatay ni number 95. 1 minute 50 seconds. Ang ganda ng pasalipin ni Bilang. 2 points by Manalo. Genesis. Lamang po ng 10 ang MG Cleaning. Number 3. Binababa ang bola, binabatay ni Gary. Pass to Eric. Eric, ball fake. Umikot.
Si Kalmado ba yun?
Nagtampukin mo yun.
Durong di rebound. Out. Tira!
Last 55 seconds. Substitution. Substitution. 55 seconds na naging starting third quarter. Number 8, binabantayan ni manager. Hardy. Gary. Pull-up jumper. Pasok pa rin yan. Ilista mo na. 2 points. Manager. Pinasa kay Genesis. Last 32 seconds. Shot clock 8 seconds. To Gary. 3 seconds to shoot. Pull-up jumper. Supply. Good ball. Eric. Nawala ang bola. Hardy. Pinasa sa ilalim. Pinasa ulit ni Genesis. 5 seconds. Time remaining. Hook shot. Wala. Limang number po naman. Binato. Anakta. Pass. Genesis. Back to Gary. Back 3 point. Na. Oh, good ball. Ang biglang bumilis yung takbo ni Joa. Nakakalimang 3 points na si Joe. Batang bata. Genesis. Raising time. 5 seconds to shoot. Then 3 points. Gary. Babawi kaya. Pasa sa ilalim. Number 3. To Sabala. Wala. Rebound by number 26. Pumomba. Wala. Tip of number 41. 2 points. Barry. Binabawa ni number 11, Musa. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Joe. Wala na at this time. Rebound by number 11. Shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Genesis, binabantayan ni Eric. Behind the back, pushing foul. Eric. Fourth personal foul. Rabilo, 3 points. Nakaka-anim ka na, Joe. Eric, 2 points. Bumibiskate. Behind the back ay Sabala. Behind the back again. Eric, pumoma, tumira. Na-design. Rebound by Sabala. Pineke. Pass to number 3. 2 points. Anakta. Pass to Joe. Relax lang daw. Oh, behind the back pa. Biglang pukol. Wow naman. Number 26. Sabala. Pass to Eric. Eric. Wala pa rin. Napakaalam ng shooting. Number 26. Binitin-bitin. Sumablay. Genesis. 18 seconds. Anakta. Ama. Back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 15 seconds time remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Eric. Binabantayan ni Gary. Eric to number 26 supply. Number 3. Sinukulit ni number 13. Supply. $64-83 in favor of MJ20. Genesis, 2 points. Dudes, binababa ang bola. Naagaw ni number 11. Pass to number 95. To Gary. Gary, binabantayan ni Eric. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Genesis 2 points. Dudes, pass to Eric. Pumorma ng press. Wala pa rin. Number 26. Wala pa rin. Napakaalat ng shooting ng team. Number 26. Pass to Manalo. Manalo. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni number 11. Genesis. Binabantayan ni Dudes. Binato ang bola.
Time ha.
Eric, umikot, pinasa, Manalo, pinasa ulit ni number 3, wala pa rin. Agaw ni number 13. Substitution. Uy, manager coming. Number 20, Arman, mamadali, parang nagkakabol. Arman, move up, supply. Quick ball. Number 20. Number 13. Number 41, Amgul. The Pinoy step.
Baba mo!
Manager.
Tira mo!
Ayan na
Tira
si
mo!
manager.
Tira mo! Tira mo!
Next game, Open Division. Championship game between Hot. Pass to number 16 to number 13. Wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 41. Nakashoot si number 2. Number 24. Binabangay ni number 13. Pass to Eric. Eric. Nag-try pa rin. 2 points. Number 13, Pinolpe, Pinada, what a play! The highlight reel. Number 24, Sublime. Papatukin mo na yan. Number 26. Pass to number 24. Sublime. Rebound by Genesis. to number 13. 2 points.
MVP to, lo. MVP.
Congratulations to MG Cleaning for winning the championship game. Congratulations also to White Man.